Hey everyone, it's MG Sounds. Hope everyone is fine. Today I'm going to bring you a song, a Western type song, rap song, a song that I've enjoyed. I hope you enjoy. Then I'm going to give you a little bit of news and weather and, a little bit more MG. Everybody enjoy MG.
It was a western town. It was a western town that I rode in. It was a western town. It was a western town that I rode in. It was crowded. People were moving about. Handling their business. It was a western town. It was a western town that I rode in.
And now, news by MG. According to CBS News, Mega Millions jackpot hits 1.28 billion for Friday's drawing. Wow, that's a big MG there. The weather, according to Farika, will be currently 66 degrees. It's going to be high 83 degrees. The sunrise is 6:15 and the sunset is 8:37 p.m. Precipitation 0%. Humidity is 39%. Okay, MG, y'all. I hope you enjoy. MG.